Hey, my cheerful buddies. Today, I'm drawing Bluey with all her wonderful friends together. It's going to be a day full of games, laughter, and imagination. Before we start, tap the like button so Bluey's playground shines even brighter. The morning sun glows softly, and Bluey runs toward the big playground. She sees Bingo, Coco, Mackenzie, and Snickers waiting near the slide. Hi everyone! She shouts with a big happy wave. Give this video a like if you love playing with your friends too. Coco jumps up and down, her tail wagging fast. Let's play pretend adventure, she says excitedly. Bluey claps her paws. Yes, I'll be the captain, and we'll sail to a magic island. Tap like if you'd love to go on a make-believe adventure with Bluey and her friends. Bingo grabs a stick and pretends it's a magic wand. Poof, we're now on the ocean, she says with a giggle. Snickers crawls on the grass and makes silly wave sounds. Press like if you've ever pretended the floor was the sea. The friends hop around, balancing on rocks like sailors. Mackenzie shouts, "Watch out, a sea monster," and makes a growling sound. Bluey laughs. Quick everyone, grab the ropes. Give this video a like if you love funny monster games. Coco twirls her tail, pretending to cast a brave spell. Magic sparkle shield, protect us all, she yells proudly. Everyone cheers as they keep playing with joy and imagination. Tap like if you think magic makes games even more fun. After a while, they all sit under the tree to rest. Bluey sighs happily. That was the best adventure ever. Bingo nods. We make the best team. Press like if you believe teamwork makes everything awesome. Dad appears with a basket full of fruit snacks. Hungry explorers? He asks with a chuckle. The friends cheer. Yes, please, Captain Dad. Give this video a like if you'd love snack time after playing. They munch their fruit together while laughing about the sea monster. Coco says, "My magic shield saved everyone," and everyone giggles. Bluey grins. But Bingo's wand made it sparkle. Tap like if you love sharing laughs with your best friends. After snacks, they build a big sandcastle near the playground. Snickers makes tunnels while Mackenzie shapes the towers. Bluey decorates the top with a tiny leaf flag. Press like if you enjoy building castles with your friends too. As the sky turns orange, the friends sit together to watch the sunset. The soft breeze brushes their fur, and everything feels calm. Today was perfect, Bluey whispers with a peaceful smile. Give this video a like if you love cozy sunsets with people you care about. Before heading home, Bluey hugs Bingo and waves at her friends. See you tomorrow for another big adventure, she says cheerfully. Everyone waves back, promising to play again. Before you go, tap the like button and remember, every day is brighter when you play with your friends.